Okay, what is up guys, it's GW Philip and we're back with a new video and we're gonna work on this fucking car, the G-Wagon. So, when I bought it new, the owner said that he had just taken a oil change and I was dumb enough to take it forward, and now, today, after owning the car about 4 months or something, I went into the engine bay just to check, and fucking hell, the oil is black. So as you guys can see, it has been leaking a bit of oil, and you can see the oil is completely black. That is not good. And I've spotted that there's an oil leak also at the back here. So as you guys can see, completely black, and this is oil. It's not grease, it's oil. I've also noticed that the brake fluids is draining itself, so there's somewhere a leak. However, it's not inside the engine bay, so I imagine it's most probably by the brakes, something that has to be tightened a bit more. And also we have a water leak, as you guys can see right here. There's a running water, and yeah, so it looks like the seal for the water pump is fucked, I guess. So I'll have to buy a new seal, I believe. It's gonna be a simple job. It's just to change the seal, the gasket. Otherwise, the rest of the car seems okay. I do have to change a belt. I believe it's the middle belt down here, because the car is quite of a squeaker. So that will be necessary. So yeah, let's start off by draining the oil. And I have a friend that's coming over just to drop the oil filter, because I bought the wrong filter. This, which I thought was the oil filter because it looked like one, is actually the diesel filter. So I bought the diesel filter for the G-Wagon and not the oil filter, because I don't know why. I saw it was written that it was for the fuel system. However, it didn't look like a normal fuel filter. It looked like a oil filter. So the oil filter, I believe, is behind inside of here. So this is what I am going to have to change the inside, and that's the part I'm waiting on for now. So yeah, let's get to work. Okay, so we're back, and as you guys can see, look how black this is. God damn. So I'm gonna clean myself up, so BRB. Okay, so I'm back, and we've just taken out the oil filter that was right there, and I'm starting to clean up the engine bay because it's quite oily. I've managed to catch most of the oil, and so look at this dark oily filter. This was one hell of a dirty filter inside of there. It's kind of hard to see, but it was bad. So yeah, now my hands are all greased up. So yeah, I'll just continue working and clean up the engine bay. Also, I've established that this is leaking quite bad, actually, because I've dried it up, and you can see with your bare eyes without the car running that there's water leaking out from right here. So as you guys can see, when I take it away, there's water flowing out immediately. So I'll have to fix that. But yeah, otherwise I'll just clean up the engine bay. So yeah.
So much louder. Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything and lose it all. Lose it all. Lose it all. Feel it in your arms, feel it in your legs, feel it on your fingertips and feel it in your head. Just let your body go. Just let your body go. Just let your body go and move to the rhythm.
So yeah, my friend just arrived with the missing parts. Now I have clothes on me because the sun is disappearing and it's getting cold. Got my cameras ready to roll.
Today, why do I feel like I linger between the words to say the words to remember. I told you my level of concern, but you walk by like you never heard. You could bring down my level of concern. Just need you to tell me we're alright, tell me we're okay. Panic on the brain, Michael's gone insane.
Okay, just hoping to get enough battery on the camera to film this, but the car was kind of empty for the fluid brakes. I've located a leak in the back, so that's something I'll have to repair pretty much soon.
I told you my level of concern, but you walk by like you never heard. When you could bring down my level of concern. Just need you to tell me we're alright, tell me we're okay. Yeah, tell me we're alright, tell me we're okay. Yeah, tell me we're alright, tell me we're okay. Bring down my level of concern. Just need you to tell me we're alright, tell me we're okay. Yeah.
There we go. Okay, that's also something to do. Let's take my car for a ride. Okay, there we go. And yeah, let's test drive the car. I'm just gonna start my little GoPro. I don't actually have a good way of having it stable, so let's try and start the engine. And it starts. Let's just see how the engine feels, if it feels any different. Shouldn't really feel any difference, but it's always fun to speculate. So yeah, let's see how this fucking goes. Should at least leave it to warm up a bit. But yeah, the battery is basically gone, so I think I'll end the video here. There's a video on the SLK coming soon. I'm currently working on the rust, so it takes a bit of time because I have no knowledge in rust repair. So yeah, keep up for that. Please do subscribe, leave a like, comment on the video, and yeah, hope to see you guys on the next video.